hope you guys are having a great week. As many of you know, New Jersey and the Upper East Coast got hit by a blizzard. Blizzard Nemo, actually. And the funny thing is, I have a cat named Nemo. Well, we got some snow. Where me and Carly live, we got about 7 inches. Boston got, I think they said 3 feet. And then my neighbor said her dad lives in Maine and they were getting 61 inches. That's a lot of snow. I'm kind of glad I don't live in Maine. Basically, this is a video of the pictures and videos I took. So enjoy. Bye.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine